Peace, assalamu alaikum. So what's going on? I have on my snow t-shirt. It's still winter. But guess what? It's time to get ready for Valentine's Day. So they already have Valentine's Day products at the Dollar Tree. One of my favorite stores to shop at for accessories for my Scentsy products. So you need a container. If you're going to make a gift set, you need some type of container to put your products on top of. So the way you can keep costs down is to get an inexpensive container. So $1.50, $1.25, that's a reasonable price. So I went to the Dollar Tree yesterday and I found this box here. Now they come in different sizes, but I knew I wanted to put a couple of items in there, so I just got the biggest size that they had. So I have this one here. Love's vibes only, okay, and this red one here, XOXO. It has a little key on the front. That's cute, 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 with a little bike. I thought that was cute with some flowers on the top of the bike. Cute box. And I'm a plushaholic, so I found some bears that I thought were cute. This one here. Well, I'll show you the bear first. So they had this in pink and white and tan. So people are partial to pink. They like pink. So I'm putting this with a room spray. That's one of the gift sets I'm making. Because some people, they are on a budget and they don't really want to spend a lot of money. Some people are not into candy because they're trying to lose weight. Some people are not into the wax candles with the warmers. So you have to have something that's an alternative to that. So that's why I thought about just doing the room spray. So what I did, I tied the ribbon around the top of the bottle and then I put the cap back on. So that way I can tie it to the bear's arm and it won't move around too much. It'll move a little bit, but it won't be extreme. It won't just fall completely over. Okay, so secured it. And of course you put the brown paper that Scentsy sends you in the boxes. Save that, because you can put that in the bottom of the box and then you can put some shred on top, and that will keep you from having to spend so much money on shred. Okay, and I just fold the flap down so when I wrap it, the flap will be out the way. All right, so now if you wanted to, you could add some candy to this, but it's really not necessary. But sometimes I'll do the little candy hearts in the boxes with the little sands and things on them. So those are cute to use in the little small gift sets. So I'll show you what it looks like wrapped up. So when I do plush and little gift sets, I leave the face out because I want the personality of the bear to show. Or the stuffed animal, rabbit, whatever it is, I want to show. So I left his face out so people can see all the detail on his face. It had a little hang tag on it, so I left that outside so they could put their name on there, who it's to, who it's from, etc. And I just tied it around the back, and the room spray is in there. And so that's a cute little gift for somebody that wants something small. They're just trying to say thank you. They're trying to say, I'm thinking of you. This is it in the pink. All right, and like I said, if you wanted to add some candy to it, you could. You don't have to. Now, if you want to do a mini warmer, I do the mini warmers without the bars because I don't know what fragrance that they're going to want, and I let them pick out their own fragrance to go with it. If they're on a budget and they can't afford fragrance, I just have some scent samples available. Just about the size of a cube. Maybe give them about 4 of those, and then they have something to work with starting out, and then they can contact me for more fragrances. Of course, I put my business card in all my gift sets so people know where to get some more product from. And this is a florist bow. I have the little loop in the middle, and I like wired ribbon because I'm doing events, and sometimes you'll get to the event and your bow is kind of crushed up. This ribbon, you can just fluff it back up and you're good. And so it comes in a lot of different colors. I used the hot pink and the red this time because it's coming up to Valentine's Day, right? So I also wrap warmers. So now this here box I found at the Dollar Tree last year. I didn't see any this year, but I found this last year. This was a charitable cause warmer, I want to say. Limited edition. And I just wrapped it on top of the box. So you can see how beautiful it is when it's all lit up. And so that's another gift. I don't even know what the price was on this here. I have to check and see what the price was on that. I forgot what the price was, and I don't have the price on it, but I'll figure that out in a minute. So another one that I did with the Whip Box products from last month. I put a box of candy in this one here. I could have put a teddy bear in this one here, but I chose to do a box of candy instead. Same price as the candy, I believe, like $1.25. So it's the fan product, pods, candy, a spray that's kind of like Scentsy Fresh. Okay, you use it in the air or on fabrics, and the Scentsy soap. So this is basically the Whiff Box in a gift set that you can do for Valentine's Day. So I hope that's helpful. Scentsy is a fragrance company that has wax-in warmers. They have plush animals that you can put the fragrance in to make them smell well. They have cleaning products for your bathroom, your kitchen. They have laundry products to make your laundry smell good, plus clean them. So, diffusers and oils. All right. So this company is a great company to be a part of. So if you were thinking about earning some extra income, message me so you can get started, because you can start at whatever level you are. If you can only afford $19.99, you can get started. If you want to go for the big kit and for $99, you can do that. Either way, it's a multi-million-dollar company, a great opportunity to share products with people that love fragrance and love home decor, and you are doing a service. You're providing a service for people. People want to show appreciation to their loved ones. They want them to know that they were thought about, they're cared about, and this is a way to make people happy and support yourself. All right, and the things you want to do. Okay? Peace. Assalamu alaikum.